Oh, is he going to try? Is it too high? Who put that there? No. I'll do something else instead. No. I'll have a look over here. Oh, he's back. He's back again. Can I do it? Shall I go at it? No. Give it up. Let's go up here instead. Anyway, who wants to go in there? I'll do something else. No, I'll have a good run at it. No. Over he goes.